The DOH today also reported more than 5,700 new infections statewide over the past 7 days. Take a look at the breakdown on your screen. A majority of the new infections were here on Oahu. The Big Island and Maui had more than 600 cases apiece, while Kauai had close to 400. 6 more people have died after contracting the virus, raising the state's death toll to 1,434.
And state leaders are warning another major surge could be on the horizon. KITV4's Kristen Concilio joins us live tonight to explain why they're asking people to be on high alert. Kristen.
Mika, COVID cases are spiking ahead of more than 40 high school graduations starting next week. That's why officials are urging residents celebrating this huge milestone to mask up, especially in large crowds. The spike in COVID cases correlates to the end of Hawaii's mask mandate and other restrictions on March 25th. The state went from 87 cases a day on March 23rd to a new daily average of 722 cases. And with graduation celebrations coming up soon across the islands, the situation could get worse.
We are now seeing the repercussions for severe disease and accumulating cases in our hospitals. Some people who test positive are still going to get seriously ill, and some people are going to die from COVID.
Health officials are warning that COVID hospitalizations and ICU admissions are also beginning to increase. And at least one public school, Molokai Middle, has moved back to distance learning.
Because a number of staff were impacted by isolation or quarantine requirements. It's a very real reminder that we are still in a pandemic.
For graduation, each school has the discretion to set a limit on the number of people in attendance and whether to allow the traditional lei giving after the ceremonies. The head of the Department of Education says it has distributed 500,000 home tests to schools over the past month and is urging people to test before attending events.
We might be having our next surge now. We're still in a mindset of surges are possible, and we don't know where this will all settle out yet. That's part of not being in
Officials are urging businesses, schools, and other organizations to make sure COVID precautions are in place before cases again get out of control. Reporting live, Kristen Concilio, KITV4 Island News.
Thank you, Kristen. Here's a look at the COVID positivity test rate in each county. Kauai has a high